what do you say affiliate is heading in marketing and management in the next years?
Yeah, so as I mentioned it before, I think that advertisers, networks, and affiliates are merging their data more and more together to optimize really everything as a team. And in dating, this is now since, I think since a year, we get this request to report which users are paying, even when it's CPL. So they can train the pixel on that and send us only the users that are paying, because even if it's a CPL, if more users are paying, they are qualifying faster for bumps, for higher bumps, or even to just keep the offer alive.
Yeah,
That's
more
also,
cap, yeah.
Yeah, or more cap. So that's already one thing where I see it merging. Then I see also the role of a network program and affiliate gets more and more fluid. So practically every affiliate program or network has like their own media buying team, not only promoting their offers, but also other stuff. But on the other hand, a lot of affiliates are building their products as well. Affiliate networks are building products like a program. Affiliate programs are onboarding third-party advertisers as well. So these are all things that I see happening. Then, of course, the data stuff. The data is becoming more and more important. AI becomes a way bigger part of this industry. And at the moment, when people are speaking about AI, they are speaking about having creatives, or like you said, with automatization of these blogs where they are posting practically every product getting uploaded on ClickBank and so on. But the power of AI is in so many other things. For example, really about data analytics, especially data analytics. I see it really happening, and with optimizing workflows. It's not something where I'm like a true expert in, absolutely not. But for example, my CRM system that I have in recruitment originally was switching off all filters to be AI. And that was killing this system for me, because an AI is only as good as the data that trained it. So if you are doing recruitment as like, I don't know, engineers, and there are like 1,000 other recruiters that use this software for engineers, the AI is pretty well. But if you are the only one that does recruitment on the system for affiliate marketing, the AI is very bad. So it was never spitting out the right results, and it was never giving me the right candidates. And I could not even filter it manually anymore. So I switched to a manual system. Now the manual system is so blown up that it cannot be managed manual anymore. So now I will buy, after ConversionConf, now I will go first to Poland, but after this, I will buy their our plugin to use AI additionally in the recruitment. So now somebody has to manually run every candidate and every job that comes in, who would match there, which job would match or which candidate would match.
Pretty
And
cool,
often this gives out like 100 and not hundreds of results, but let's say 100 results. And then you would have to go manually through this. So now I buy an AI that is practically beside the filter, supporting us with that. And that will free up our time so much. Or the AI that I spoke about with the offer recommendation from CatStats, that's also not really data analytics. Data analytics and machine learning is behind it. But in the end of the day, it's practically like an assistant or an automatization tool that has just like AI in the backend. So these are the things that I see happening. And another thing that I see really as a big trend is alternative payment methods. So affiliates are shifting more and more to other payout methods than just wire. Or also, for example, in America, credit card to credit card is something that I see a little bit disappearing. And what I think will come in, it will take a few years, and there were the first attempts made for this already, I think in 2017, when there was the first crypto hype or whenever it was, is to have like a token made for the affiliate industry with smart contracts that is reporting all the sales and paying out all the sales in real time. So imagine you are running a CPA or a lead gen company, lead gen project campaign, yeah. And every time when the lead is really approved and validated, for example, if it would be like finance, that the person is really receiving a call or so. So it's or they see like, okay, we have like 1,000 leads and 500 of them have the call. So we are sure it's like a legit guy. So 1,000 leads were made. We would pay them after 1 month. We pay them all immediately.
Yeah.
And the next day they are paid again.
Yeah.
So this is something that I see happening for the cash flow. And to avoid also this kind of stuff, hey, it's the beginning of the new month. Can you validate the numbers of the last month? And then they validate it, and then 2 months later, when they have not paid the invoice, and they say like, yeah, we found later on something that is a little bit dodgy, that would be all avoided in that way. That's something that I see like as a vision. And these ideas are not coming from me sitting here like in my room and brainstorming how to say something. This is really like from the panels, from the meetings, from consultancy, from my own team, from recruitment, to speak with the people. What are your challenges? Where you see how it goes. I mean, we are also working with like companies that are, as I said, with payment, that want to understand more how the affiliate market works. So these guys are sharing then knowledge from their sites and trends. This all makes me something like a hub of knowledge for this industry, and I create something like visions that I see happening. Half of that will not happen, that's clear, but at least we should prepare for some of them. For some, we cannot prepare. For example, this coin, how you want to prepare for it if you are not building it.
I agree. But this is something that I really enjoy a lot about the affiliate space anyways. I mean, with a black hat background, they always had to find creative ways to overcome any issues or problems. So affiliates and the industry in general was always extremely innovation driven. So maybe, like you said, half of the ideas will not come to life, but the other half that will come to life will probably have more innovation than what we have right now.
Also, the gap between black hat and regulated is getting bigger. So people have to be more innovative with bypassing like regulations or rules. But on the other hand, you can also just follow the rules, make your certification. For example, Google was creating now a big ruckus with how they will regulate the dating industry. And now, in the end of the day, you just need to have like a certification from Google about that. So I had a call with a guy from Google, how it will function, and it starts practically this month, and what you have to do to get the certification. And it's of course not that easy and not a Wild West. And you need to know somebody to guide you through it. But in the end of the day, if you are doing this kind of stuff, you don't even have to make black hat anymore.
I fully agree. And platforms, they go even more white hats, and I think that's a good thing. You can scale probably even more if you just follow the rules. Like it's better than the cat and mouse game and trying to hide or redirect traffic or something like that, which might in the end also be bad for the karma. Who knows?
That's true.
Yeah.